is microwave safe actually safe if it's a plastic container? If this happens to you when you're hungry and you don't have food, you just throw in the microwave a microwave safe plastic casserole with leftovers in it and it's ready to go. But you should be aware, because chemicals like BPA, phthalates or plasticizers, bad juju for your body, are added to the plastic when it's made, but they are not chemically bound to it. So when you have food next to plastic in a heated environment, those chemicals get into your food. So the answer is no, microwave safe is not a thing. Use ceramic.